enjoying my lunch today outside of Healthy Kids Clinic at Muse Knoxville. Being here has me wondering about what healthy things are inside my food. Did you know that iron is found in the foods we eat? Remember, iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt are materials that are attracted to magnets. I wonder if there's enough iron in my favorite foods for them to be attracted to a magnet. I love to eat spinach, broccoli, and cereal. All of these foods are high in iron. We need iron because it makes hemoglobin, which helps our red blood cells carry oxygen around our bodies. But is the iron in my favorite foods enough iron to make them magnetic? Do this test with me to find out. Ask an adult for a small piece of your favorite foods. First, I will get a bowl and fill it with water. Then I will float bits of these foods in the water. Once they are still in the water, I will bring a magnet close to them, but not touching, and see if the food is attracted to the magnet. Spinach and broccoli are not attracted to my magnet. While they are a good source of iron, they do not have enough iron in them for them to be attracted to the magnet. This reminds me of the coin, the nickel. While it does have a magnetic material in it, it's not enough for it to be attracted to a magnet. Look at the cereal. The cereal I used is called Total. Cereal often has extra iron and other vitamins and minerals added to it to make it more healthy. Total has enough iron to last you the whole day and enough iron for it to be attracted to the magnet. Are there any of your cereals found in your pantry attracted to magnets? Well, I can't eat it. I know something else that has iron in it. Paper money. Find or ask an adult to borrow a dollar bill. Hold it in one hand, and in your other hand, hold a magnet. Bring the magnet close to the dollar and see if the dollar comes towards the magnet. Why does this work? What in my dollar has iron in it? Do you have any predictions? Is it the paper, the ink, or something else? It's the ink. Iron is added to the ink, so it's easier to spot fake money. In the next segment, we will have some fun and play with our magnets. Continue on to the next video when you are ready.